Hey guys, what's up? So here is my kit. I'm so excited. So you open it up like this, has the Younique, and then the flap has the 4D mascara. And then you also open that back up, and there we go. I'm so excited to get this 4D mascara. Oh my gosh, this is like the bomb.com. This was actually my favorite mascara when I stopped doing Younique. Like, before, I used this all the time. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait. Cannot wait. This is what the bristles look like. So pretty, like super pretty. They replaced this with the 3D mascara that they used to have when I first started, and they got rid of it. So they replaced it with the 4D mascara. Oh. All right. Oh, this is exciting. So I used to get these collections all the time. It comes with these little purses. It's super cute. It's cute. Probably use this for work or something. But oh my gosh, I cannot wait. So it's a little purse. Like, hello. Oh, cannot wait, you guys. I cannot wait. So yeah, it comes with, it's a little purse. It's nothing too big or anything. So you guys can just put like your little knickknacks in here, whatever. Oh, cannot wait. All right, so nothing came in there. Welcome to Younique, and it says that we're so excited that you're here. Joining Younique means that you're part of a community committed to uplifting, empowering, and validating women all over the world. We're here to support and encourage you on every step of your journey. The best part, you get to run your Younique business from anywhere and on your schedule. Take advantage of the tools, training, we'll be sharing with you these next several weeks. And don't forget to tell your friends, family, social media followers that your online store is open for business. So I cannot wait. Cannot wait. Oh my gosh. All right. I got some eye cream. I got some eye cream to try out. Oh my gosh. I've been wanting to try their eye cream. All right. I got their little medallion, or their white status thing here. Put that there. Let's see, what else do I want to show you first? Okay, so this is the Younique eyeliner in Perfect. This actually reminds me of the Urban Decay eyeliner. Super creamy and pigmented. I was thinking about getting the white, but I think I'll just wait. And this is in the shade Perfect, which is black. You can pick your color eyeliners. It doesn't matter. You can do white, you can do black, you can do blue, you can do whatever color is in there. So I cannot wait. I cannot wait. All right. The next thing is the liquid shadow. What did I get? I got Reverent. I don't know if I have the shade. But isn't that pretty? Oh my gosh. Their liquid shadows are beautiful. That's so pretty. Maybe I'll use that tomorrow during my live. Like, it blends out so pretty. Like, look at that. You can probably use it as like a highlighter. I don't know. It kind of dried down. It dries down pretty quickly. So, yeah. That's that. Okay, I might use this tomorrow though. And then I got another mascara. So you get a choice between the Twisted Mascara or the regular mascara. So the first thing is you get this little wand for your itty bitty lashes. And also, this mascara literally is the best. You want to know why? You don't have to curl your lashes. It pretty much has like the formulation to curl itself. So pretty. So it has that, and then you grab the bam. I wonder if my mom, I don't know if my dad or my sister had thrown away her mom's makeup or not. I wonder if they do, if she's still, because she ordered stuff from me as well. She ordered some makeup and some eyeshadow, and I wonder if she has it, or if it's still like there. Oh, I got, oh yes, another, yay. Oh man, I'm so excited. I totally forgot that I got this, because you get a choice between this and their lipsticks, and I wanted this more. All right, the next thing is their exfoliator. I am in love with their exfoliator. I probably, like, the next time when I get paid, I probably have to order a backup, just because the exfoliator is amazing. I will be doing skincare videos as well, just so you all know. I just have to wait to get my skincare. So they have masks. Look, this is heavy. It has a lot of product in here. But their exfoliators are amazing. So I cannot wait. I'm going to exfoliate tonight. And then this is actually really new to me. They're sheet masks. Comes with 4. So that's cool. This is their Younique Refreshing Biocellulose mask. So that's cool that I will start using these as well. You leave the mask on for 10 to 15 minutes or until it begins to dry. Remove the mask, massage remaining the product into your skin, and follow with the Younique skincare regimen. So, but yeah, the next time, next week, I'm going to order the whole skincare line almost. I mean, I have a bunch of makeup already, but I am excited to give these a try. I probably won't do one tonight, maybe like soon, get those. And then also these products, I cannot wait. Cannot freaking wait, you guys. So this is my $99 kit. Got some samples. I got full-size makeup. What else? I got a little itty-bitty purse. I got my 2 mascaras. I cannot wait for that. So you get this kit this month. You order this kit for $99. You get this kit for $99. This is over the value, the value. I have to look it up on what it would actually cost if you order this, all of this stuff. It's over $300, at least over $300. And yeah, I know that you don't get a lot of products in it, but this is a lot of unique products that it's amazing. But you can get these products. You can get your kit. You can pick out the products you want. If you need help, I would be more than happy to help you. Like, I want to help you all. Come to me, message me on Instagram. If you can find me on Facebook, message me on Facebook. It's whatever you want to do. I also do my lives. It's on Patty's Beauty Mark. I go on there and I go on live and I post my lives on here. So you guys know I'm always posting. You get this kit, pay for it, $99. You get $99 back into your Younique. So $99 extra to pay for more products. That can give you, okay, so here's eye products I ordered from my kit. I can get a foundation and a concealer and possibly a would have to pay for like some setting spray or setting powder. However it is, like, it is freaking amazing. I cannot wait. This month I am going to hit Coral. I need a representative. I would like to gain more representatives, more people to want to start this business with me. Like, all I need is one person to be active, but I would love more than one person on my team to be active. So if you guys want to sign up, comment below, let me know. I want you guys here. I want you guys to join me in this journey. I want you guys to have fun as well. I think it's going to be super fun. Once you guys get started, I think you guys will like it. I got like an itch and I don't want to like ruin my makeup because it's not fully like dried yet. But I want you guys to have fun with me. I want you guys to be able to see how amazing these products are. Like, look at my skin. It looks super glowy, right? Super glowy. And I'm here for it. I'm here for it. Comment below. Let me know. I want you guys to enjoy the fun. I want you guys to be able to see my excitement over this business. Like, I cannot wait. I can't wait. Oh my gosh, I was supposed to do another video. Whoops. Alright, so if you guys are interested, and I hope you guys are, like, I'm so excited about this. I want you guys to be excited as well. If you guys want to sign up, go on my link, sign up, do the $99 one. You can do the pay in four, like, do your first, you'd have to do your down payment, and then you have to actually do the first payment. You get your down payment back, and then you can put that down payment back towards your, like, your kit, so you don't have to earn, have it on your PayPal for that long. But yeah, and then you get $99 back. I want you guys to be able to join me and have fun. This is a super fun group that we're in. I cannot wait for this. So join me, you guys. My link will be available. Have a good day. I'll see y'all soon.